Okay, so we are going to write the how Python is going to work with while loop, and this while loop will have different sections, like how it is going to uh, work with different loops, while loops and for loops. First, we are going to initialize a variable count. Initial value, let's say it is having 0, it is starting from 0. So as other languages like C++, Java, we must have defined the initial value of this parameter. Parenthesis means this counter value. Then we can have the while loop C count less than 3. Count is equal to count plus 1. It is going to increment every time, and simultaneously going to print hello. Okay, so as of now it is going to print three variables: hello, hello, and hello. 0, 1, 2 is the index values of respective output. I'm going to copy the same code and paste here, and it is having count. Let me change the little bit here. Count equal to 1, and count is having less than 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are the index number of these values. So let's have the list. We are going to going to define list ahead in the next chapter. But as of now, it is having the four integer numbers in the same text. You can see array. So while a and a colon print a dot pop, it is going to pop out of the stack. So it is going to 4, 3, 2, 1, 1 by 1 from the last index value. So it is going to print each value from the last side. So you can we can check this different context, different syntax for the same, like how for loop works. The concept is same for all the languages, but the syntax are quite little bit changed. And Python is going to combine, going to ease every code of means line of code. Count is equal to 0 while count is having less than 5 value colon count equal to how count plus equal to 1 in the same line how while is working in the same line of code. So count equal plus equal to 1 colon semicolon and then print whatever you want to print. That is immaterial that what kind of message you are typing here. I am writing aim tutorial here, and it is going to represent the syntax. So the the same the variable, it is going to have the true condition, it is going to print here. Okay, so in tutorial is going to print everywhere 5 times, it is going to print on the screen. So count is having initial value 0. Now let's learn about the for loop. So this is the way we define the comment section and the comment line. So how for loop is working: for I in range parenthesis 0 to 10. Actually, it is the range between 0 to 10 colon print section, whatever you are going to print again. So keeping in mind that you are going to exact means same section, same integer value means aim tutorial. So 0 to 10, it is going to print all the 10 variables. Make sure, keeping in mind that it is not going to print 11 times, it is going to print 10 times. Now let's check 1 to 5. So what will give? It will give 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4. Not the 5 value. 5 are the means range, but 1 is the initial value. It is going to I in the range value. So in the same way we are going to print for value, and different syntax you are going to print, those are having the same true condition. It can be have fruits value. Let's take any integer values. Let's take an variable like fruit, and fruits is equal to orange, and the another fruit, let's say any or another name of the papaya I'm taking for an example. And fruit is going to print n number of time x in range fruit. So here I'm not going to give the range. Whatever the number of values will be there in the fruits, it is going to print. So just simply print x. It is going all the fruit values inside the fruits variable. Okay, you can say it's the array of a string as well as we have seen in the C language. So it is in the same way, if you increase the number of fruits inside the fruits variable inside this array, it is going to print in as usual as it is. So now we are going to print the string value. How for loop works with the string. So in tutorial print text, it is just one by one all the values and all the drop down values of the string. Thank you.